Yeah, man.
Out of the door.
Yeah, man. Angry.
Anything you give me, just
Yeah, man. Yes, yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Remember, numbers is more of a techie, you know, and a white collar crime is. Numbers is not a blood and guts like we, you see me, so. Don't get it twisted, him now go out like the lamb to the slaughter. But you don't know. Anyway, enough of that, because this looks serious. We pray.
Yo, King man, I want to tell you so we make a move a ranking now go approve, you know. Yeah, man, and I need to come for show you. You see it?
So what going?
Remember, we are sure ranking about the no face thing, you know, brother. We make a move, serve Lover 21. Buck up in a youth to the command studio. Currently, man, I ask him what go on. How the face thing.
So what him say?
I want to tell you say, the youth a behave a way in a King man. You see me, the man a blaze up like a fire iron. Have a throw a little water on his foot.
Cha. So what exactly him a say? What go on?
Say, King man, you look a boy make we have to deal with it. Grammy, brother.
Yeah.
And we ask him for your name. Yeah, I gotta tell him, man, we have to give him some top, man. I say, give you a name. You see it and the name when call out, I say, look, one man that pass and hear your name. Fly up. Yo, I own my place. Yo, tell him, man, it is.
Little boy papa false chop for a man king. Little boy used to kick up in a them body pan ball ground. You know them way there? You see, but actually we know say yeah, we there over there and the genie even know what go on. We not bother load you up no more, pushing it further. You get what I say?
So I wish look at you that some bowl for Papa's chop pound.
Man, they say, him around the place, man.
Him around the place. I wonder if I look at you named Catholic. When name son? Where's Carter right hand man did name man?
Oh boy, bitter blood.
Yeah man, a bitter blood son.
Look at boy that grew up and I go at them, bud.
My following them father footstep. Plus, as the youth them everywhere now in every community, all of them think them 10 foot tall and bulletproof. But that's the important thing, you know. And that name they wanna get me one here.
You ever hear about the name Silver?
Silver.
That's your name, the boy give it.
Silver. But the last time I checked no one dance name, sir. Eh? Hold on. You ranking with. Well, hold on.
So that means she is one of the main person in the weapons running ring.
One off. She is the main. She's the head cook and buckle washer of it. Listen, our initials, spell it. Fist.
Oh, so now Miranda Suarez is her real name.
No. There's a whole heap of layers to that girl here. And when me a research, me find that out.
So what her real name?
Felicia Isabella Santana Torres.
Wow. Who wouldn't figure that out still, you know? Where you get that info there?
Good old Roxy, as she do the digging.
You me want to know. Is she a real agent or somebody who just supposed to be an agent?
No, she's actually an agent under a false name. She get into the agency for take down the head of the South American agency.
Take down the head of the agency? Why should I want to do that?
Well, as a child she was trafficked and her sources tell her say at the head of the agency was a part of it. So she want to get back at him But you know it's not so easy to get to them bigger heads there. So she hear say me na weapons dealing.
Okay. So she getting at that to get close to him.
Yeah, but she a scout round because she can't find out who exactly it is.
What I say? You think say she would have believed say I'm Mr. Mullins? Because when I want she come out here for what she and Savage did have. But otherwise, I don't know if you think she would have think say him.
Two reasons me know why she out here. One was for save her cousin, because she never wanted me in all of this. And two, because of Savage. You just give me a third option. Maybe she really thinks say him at the head of the entire organization.
I know say all of the agency them connect, but all of them answer to one person.
No man. All of them have them own commander-in-chief, but them correspond among each other.
Okay. One link.
Yeah, you know, it's a group of ex-soldiers where Mr. Mullins used to lead. When they black out, them come together and them form a band and them create the agency. But everybody go them different way and form an agency in a different countries.
So everybody work off of the same code?
No, you know. Mr. Mullins was the only one who got the legal way. The others, problem. Una in a drugs, una in a gun running, una in a trafficking. So it caused problems.